Здравствуйте. Yes, this long word is the Russian hi. It might seem difficult at the beginning, but I'm going to help you to say it and to move towards fluent and efficient Russian. Russian is notorious for being a difficult language to learn, but working since 2008 with different learners, I developed some ways of presenting it in the most learner-friendly way. And during classes, we talk a lot with my students in Russian. In many ways, Russian is actually pretty easy. For example, you can often get rid of a verb. You just say, I Russian, and it works. And there are many other secrets and neat tricks. If you recently moved to Moscow, or have been here for a while and want to obtain more confidence by a better comprehension of Russian, we can meet in person. Or if you're just preparing to move to Russia, some Skype lessons might be a good idea to get familiar with the language and culture before you come. For setting a convenient day and time, please leave me a message to get in touch.